Então, conforme vocês viram no vídeo, o dia de hoje está muito péssimo para treino, mas mesmo assim vamos treinar sempre, vamos meter a marcha. E o treino de hoje, manos, o treino de hoje vai ser muito pesado pra caramba. Eu nunca fiz um treino como este, então acompanha o vídeo. Aproveitar agora, pedir para que vocês se inscrevam, por favor, nunca se esqueçam, manos. Se inscrevam aqui no meu canal. Para quem chega pela primeira vez, nunca se esqueçam, mano, deve se inscrever para não perder nenhuma novidade que eu for a lançar aqui no meu canal. E não se esqueçam também de partilhar o vídeo, partilhem com vossos amigos, partilhem nos grupos e deixem o vosso like, mano. Isso fortalece demais. Para vocês não faz nenhuma diferença, mas para mim fortalece demais. E isso ajuda também para que eu possa trazer mais vídeos, mais conteúdos que vocês gostem. E o treino foi exatamente muito insano pra caramba, especialmente para o peito, para tríceps. Então, manos, foi um treino que pegou demais. Então acompanha somente essa sequência. Foram 15 dips na paralela, 10 dips na barra, 15 flexões declinadas, 15 flexões normais. Assim fechamos com as flexões unilaterais, fazendo 10 para cada lado, a flexão arqueira. Então acompanha o vídeo, deixa seu like e se não conseguires fazer uma sequência como esta, então é só reduzir as repetições. Vamos embora treinar.
I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la 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 la. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I started to go. I they do, and now I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous. Scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
And you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.
I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again.
No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before and man, I'm not perfect.
I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again. I can hear the drums in the distance, I can feel the fear, the resistance. Everything can change in an instant. You might stay alive if you listen.
Your best friend is your instincts, don't think. Trust me, everything can change in a blink. Hearts race, I can feel my heart pounding. Hold our heads up and this the chant we'll be shouting. This is war, you won't take me. This is war, you can't break me. It's just me, no saving. I'm the only one who could save me. So stand strong, stand tall, stay up, don't fall. Give it everything you got, no fears, no walls. Just fight, no lies, push yourself to the limit. It's the fight for it all.
Então, como sempre, esta foi a última série, fiz 4 séries. Então, as primeiras 3 séries consegui completar de boa, embora com algumas dificuldades, mas consegui preencher todas as repetições. Mas, manos, a última série, esquece, mano, a última série, esquece. Então, acabei reduzindo as repetições para 10, 5 repetições por aí. Então, era somente mesmo para fechar e agradecer também a todos vocês que assistiram o vídeo, todos vocês que deixam o vosso like, todos vocês que comentam, porque só assim eu consigo perceber que vocês estão a gostar do tipo de treino, do tipo de exercício, do tipo de vídeo que eu lanço para vocês aqui. Então nunca se esqueçam, continuem fazendo, porque isso fortalece demais. Então é isso mesmo. Então, para o pessoal que sempre pergunta onde eu estou, onde eu vivo, manos, eu vivo em Moçambique. Para quem conhece Moçambique, eu sou de Moçambique, assim como na cidade de Tete, mas neste exato momento não estou na cidade, estou mesmo fora da cidade, numa zona rural. Conforme vocês acompanham nos vídeos, estou fora da cidade. E aqui, manos, eu consegui fazer essas barras aqui, assim como conforme vocês estão a ver. Então, manos, para quem não tem condições, pode também fazer o mesmo. Ou se na tua cidade não tem praça para você treinar, então é só faça como eu, faça algo caseiro e faça seu treino, que sempre vai dar resultado. Muito obrigado, até no próximo vídeo, estamos juntos.